Hello guys, Checkpoint Auto Repairs again. So today I'm gonna show you how to drain oil on a Jeep KK. It's got a 3.7 V6 engine. So I wanna show you how you drain oil from this automatic gearbox. Some of you are gonna learn something new today and gonna learn something quickly. So some of the boats I listened to save time so that I will not waste too much of your time. Without further ado, let's get on to business. So I'm gonna take off these 10mm bolts quickly. So I'm gonna take them really fast, take them out really fast so that we can get on to business. We can get on to the main purpose of recording this video. So I'm gonna show you. It's very unfortunate that I don't have that jack, the one that lifts the whole car. But for the purpose of learning, some of you are going to learn something fast, something new today. So let's get going. There isn't too many bolts on this sump, but those few bolts you need to take them out. So I'm gonna try as much as possible to open from the front so that you can have a clear view, because I've got no one to move my camera today. So let me do it really quick. As you can see, oil has started coming out slowly from these holes of these bolts that I've just taken out. Some of them are really tight, as you can see, but it doesn't matter, it's the nature of the job. So we need to drain oil from the sump, and then for the torque converter, I'm gonna show you in the next video what to do with the oil in the torque converter, because it's old. The oil is old. So we need to service this gearbox. We need to change oil. So I removed all round from this side, coming this side, coming this side. These ones, the ones at the back, I'm just gonna loosen them. I'm not going to take them out, because otherwise I'll take a bath. I don't want to bath myself in oil. So I've got two things that I'm going to use here. I've got a screwdriver and a scrap that I'm going to use here. Just to make sure I open it nicely. As you can see, oil has started dripping just from the time I put the screwdriver here. You don't force it, because we don't have to bend the sump. As you can see, oil is coming out. Oil is coming out because there is no drain plug on the sump, on this sump here. So there is no other clever way of doing it, and as far as I know this thing. So the oil is coming out. Oil is coming out, as you can see. I put my draining can more on this side so that I can drain all of it. It doesn't matter which bolts you're going to leave, like more on which side. Me, I chose to leave this side because my camera cannot see there. But if your camera is this side, it's up to you. is what you want. So I'm gonna carry on and removing the what? The bolts. I'm gonna carry on and removing the bolts. These are just 10mm bolts. I'm sure someone is going to learn something today. There we go. I'm only left with, if I remove this one, I'm going to be left with one bolt. There we go. There we go. As you can see, oil is coming out, and when putting this back, you have to make sure that is this old gasket, you clean it nicely. You have to make sure you clean it nicely. As you can see, my oil is almost finished, but it's not yet finished. I'm going to show you. There's still oil in this pan. I'm going to deal with the last one slowly. The last one slowly. So let me hold it tight, because someone is going to take a bath. And look at my hairstyle. If I take a bath in this oil, then that means I'm going to cut my hair. It looks like all the bolts are finished. There's no more bolts on this thing. Let's get going. Just slide it a little bit. As you can see, I thought I left one bolt, but it looks like there's one more bolt here in the corner. Now the bolts are finished. There is one here. This thing is trying to be clever. As you can see, there was one bolt left here. I just want to thank you so much, all the subscribers. Keep liking the videos and you share them for more educative and interesting videos. So I'm going to drop this thing now and empty all the oil. Nice one. So this is the oil filter. There is one here. There is one there. It's only two bolts that keeps it on. One here and one at the back here. So we need to take that one out so that we can clean the what? The filter. But in this time, I've got two spanners here. Hopefully one of them is going to work for me. Thank you. So there's one here. Let me just take out the extension, because the extension is going to take me straight into the oil. Right. There we go. We don't have time to waste here, guys. I know someone is looking for this information. As you can see now, my oil filter is now moving downwards.
and will not be associated with acts of criminality that border on the fair standing of the agencies.
Right. With this done, you just pull it down, as you can see. Oil started gushing out. Look at how dirty the oil is. So this is the filter.
Has been found guilty of 4 counts of rape and 5 counts of robbery with aggravating circumstances. In 2009, Kiki raped a 32-year-old woman.
So this is the filter, guys.
He raped and robbed a
The oil filter
in 2013, he raped a 28-year-old
for your gearbox.
and his last victim was arrested.
Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna show you in the next video how we drain the oil, how we make sure the torque converter doesn't have this old oil. We need to empty it, and definitely we need to take out the old oil. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Love you all. Thank you. Bye.